Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. I am excited. I know it has been a minute since I posted a video. As you guys can see, I've moved, so had to save money moving, all that good stuff. But I do have a couple pair that I got that I just was kind of waiting till I settled down to be able to do this video. And I'm excited for this one. I got these a while ago, never got around to doing the video for them. But hopefully moving forward, I'll be able to at least pump out like a video a month. If I can. It's obviously gonna depend on a lot of things, but we have the Air Jordan 1 Retro. We have the Self-Expressions is what they're called. So let me show you guys the box. Okay, so it's not a standard Nike box. You got this paper in here. They retail for the standard $185. Right now, a size 12 is going for $99. So if I had just waited, they came out July 31st, I believe, 2025. So it's been over 6 months. So if I had waited 6 months, I could have got them for $99 instead of $185. But I wanted to get them while I could at the store. Okay, so what's special about these bad boys? So on the inside, we just have our standard dark inside. And as you can see, they're black. But what I like about these is they're actually supposed to wear over time, or you can scratch them yourselves. So you can kind of see, should turn my flash on. Here, let me turn my flash on. So you can kind of see there's like blue right here. So this check mark actually ends up being blue. And this is like a red, and there's like purple in certain spots. So as you wear them over time, this black kind of fades and they become different colors at different spots of the shoe. Obviously I haven't worn these yet. And for you guys, I have a rule. I cannot wear a pair of shoes until I do a video. So the first time you see me put them on in video is the first time I've actually putting them on for an authentic review. I don't even take them out the box until I do this video. So as you can see, the paper was completely untouched. So I've been waiting to wear these since July of 2025. It is March 2026. That's how long I've been waiting to wear these, because I want y'all to get the first authentic look at them, at me unboxing for the first time. So they comes with this little warning. And it basically just says the graphic finish of this shoe is designed to flake off with wear over time, resulting in a unique appearance. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and lace these bad boys up. We will get them, I'll put them on the feet so you guys can see what they're like on foot for this. Also, real quick before I throw them on feet, I forgot they come with alternate laces. It's like a cream, it kind of looks white, but it's like an off-white cream looking color. So you guys know the rule for my shoes. They come with alternate laces. The alternate laces goes on the right foot. So we're gonna put the alternate lace on the right foot, lace up the laces that come with on the left. Show you guys what they're like on feet. So this is what they look like on feet. I'm gonna be honest with you. It took me forever to lace these. I don't know if it's just my pair or if that's how all of them kind of turned out, but the inside lace hole is like off from the outside. So if you're lacing from the in outward, it is an absolute pain to lace. If you lace inward, it's not that bad because you can just push it through. But I have to lace my shoes the same. But got them done. It took a lot longer than usual. So that's how they look. I'm gonna add a picture at the end of how they're supposed to look, or maybe just the thumbnail, either or. Yeah, that's pretty much how they look. Let me know what you guys think. I will say these are because of the material, these are very stiff, brand new. I'm sure as they start flaking and the leather starts to relax, it's gonna be a little more comfortable, but they are stiff. I will say they are stiff. So if they don't have your size, I might go half a size bigger instead of half a size down, because they do feel very stiff on the feet, brand new. But let me know what you guys think, if you're gonna cop, if you're gonna drop, and what you're excited for what's coming out. I will catch you guys next time.